Have you ever found yourself in a captivating conversation with a lady and wondered, how can I keep this connection going beyond tonight? Well, you're in the right place as we unfold the art of confidently and smoothly asking for her number. Let's transform those interactions and ensure your success in the world of dating. Picture this scenario. You're engaging in delightful banter with a charming woman, feeling the mutual attraction building up. Now, it's the pivotal moment to take things a step further. Simply express with genuine enthusiasm, "I've really enjoyed our conversation. It'd be great to continue this chat another day. What do you think?" You can say, "I've had a fantastic time getting to know you. Would you be interested in continuing our conversation later on?" More often than not, if the attraction is mutual, she'll agree. On the other hand, if she's not interested, she might gracefully decline. In that case, maintain your composure, wish her a wonderful evening, and understand it's time to move on. However, if she's on board, confidently take out your phone, prepare the contact screen and say, "Awesome, feel free to put your number in." At this point, I prefer to give her a quick call, ensuring she has my number as well. I'll say, "I'll give you a quick call now, so you have my number too, and you'll recognize it when I reach out." This step ensures transparency and builds trust right from the start. From personal experience, I tend to let important calls go through my partner because my time is precious, and I believe in focusing on what truly matters. Women with busy lives, filled with work, studies, or other commitments, might not always be available to answer calls immediately. So, ensuring she knows it's you calling or texting is crucial. When it comes to acquiring a woman's number in a social setting like a bar, some men falter by directly asking for permission to call or even suggesting a date right away. Remember, women appreciate a man who can take the lead confidently without appearing submissive or overly eager about the future. Instead of asking for permission, express your interest in talking again and guide the interaction towards exchanging numbers. Maintain a light and informal tone throughout, avoiding any implication of immediate commitment or pressure. This approach makes women more comfortable sharing their contact information. After all, you're not proposing marriage, you're simply expressing interest in continuing a pleasant conversation. So, gentlemen, embrace your inner confidence, lead the interaction with assurance, and remember, keep things light, fun, and straightforward. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more content. Leave a comment below if you'd like as well. We value your feedback.